Hey everyone, and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are diving into the last and one of the most important pillars of a project's overall score on the platform, the Tokenomics Score. Let's get into it. The Tokenomics Score evaluates the economic structure behind a project's token. It looks at how the supply is distributed, how much dilution is coming, how the project generates revenue, and whether the token's current valuation makes sense in the context of its history and its market activity. This is the sixth and final category that feeds into the CryptoScores global score alongside community, liquidity, opportunity, security, and technology, and in many ways, it's the one that tells you the most about a project's long-term sustainability. So, the tokenomics score is built from all the indicators you will find in this section. When you click on it, for the example with Avi, you can see a lot of indicators. Things like the percentage of tokens already distributed, upcoming unlock schedules, all-time high comparisons, supply chain, collected fees, revenue, governance quality, and even more. Each of these metrics contributes to painting a complete picture of how healthy the token's economics really are. A project can have great technology, strong community, but if its tokenomics are poorly structured, too much dilution ahead, no revenue, concentrated governance, the long-term outlook becomes very risky. And just like the other score, you can filter through the tokenomics category. Directly from the CryptoScores dashboard, you can set minimum and maximum thresholds to find projects that match your criteria, whether you are looking for project and tokens with high distribution rates, low upcoming unlocks, or strong fee generation. You will also find filters for specific sub-indicators like circulating percentage, 88%, so you can get very granular in your screening. The key takeaway in this, a strong tokenomic scores means the project has a sound economic foundation. The supply is well distributed, the unlock schedule is transparent, and the protocol is generating real economic activity. A weak score, at the contrary, means there are structural risks that could impact badly the token's price, regardless of how good everything else looks. And of course, in the upcoming videos, we will break down each of these indicators one by one so you know exactly how to read them. That's the tokenomic scores on CryptoScores, your lens into the economic DNA of any crypto project. Head over to cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.